Hey guys, welcome to this short new video. In this video I'm gonna show a new system, new way of running your own app on your mobile phone through wireless method, through wireless system introduced by Apple. For now my iPhone is not connected, so I'm just gonna go to Window, Device and Simulator. You click. Now I'm gonna connect my iPhone. Connect my iPhone. If I go here, let me just my iPhone, and I go to Window, Back, Device and Simulator. You have to check this box, connect Vice network, because I was using it. That's why I'm after doing it. That's why I'll just say let me share the information. You click here. It will show your iPhone. Maybe your own will show iPhone plus name, whatever. That's not a problem. What we want to do is connect our project, run our app on our mobile phone through wireless network. So you connect there, you click, check this box, that is it, and then from there you run your project. This project is incomplete, so it cannot really run. That is why I'm not gonna run it. But if you are running, people will notice it. So just do it yourself. It's very simple. Just go to Window, Device, and after you have already connect your iPhone, you check this box, colors. From there everything will just start working. Right now if I disconnect my iPhone, I'll still get iPhone here even though I already disconnect my iPhone, and I run the application, I will see use the app on my iPhone. So that is it guys. Thank you. If I share this video, if there's any comment, post it down below. Until then, see you.